Okay, this is the wheel alignment part. This little thing right here I used as a spacer. How about a little piece of, what is it, drywall spacer. Right here, center to the wheel, so I can get these things to line up right. Take this edge, set it right on the hub, right on the nut, and right here, right there, is a mark. I don't know if you can see that or not. But anyway, that's the center of this whole thing. Evenly, whatever. This distance and that different distance are different, but the alignment is the same. Set it right here. Spot welded it in place. Did the same thing with this wheel. And then off of the center here, did the same thing back here. And lined these up. Right off the nut. Right on the line. So now they're even. All four of them are in the same spot. That's one piece. The next part is this direction on how these are sitting. So we take the level, I took it, and I set it right on top of this, just like that. And I lined this edge and this edge so they both hit the bottom of the level, and did the same thing up here. They hit the bottom of the level, clamped them, and spot welded them in place so they're stable. Did the same thing on this set of wheels. And after I did that, it stopped it from walking upwards and downwards, and it just kind of was annoying until I figured out this is the most complicated part of the whole setup. This one here, this piece right here, the drive is a 12 volt GMC 2-speed washer motor. I put it on a steel plate, cut out an opening so it's adjustable. It ain't right now because it's tight, but it slides up about a ½ an inch, give or take. It's got a 44-inch V-belt that drives the whole thing, and to get this drive wheel and the screen trommel to line up, I added these spacer nuts in here and pushed it out until I got this thing to line up straight, which stopped the belt from walking up and down my wheels here. I'll show you what I mean here. And these wheels are off of my, what are they called? Food recycling bin. Yeah, that's what it was. I don't use it because I recycle the other way. And I recycled the piece. Not the greatest wheels, but they'll work. Hey. And I got a groove that I grinded into the, what do you want to call it? Into the 8-inch PVC union. And it fits tight. And if you look at it, which we are, let's line it straight up. This drive wheel and this are almost exactly at the same angle. So when I turn it on, it spins, which is kind of cool. When I started this belt would walk all the way over here and all the way over here until I got this drive pulley lined up. Before I got to that part and had these wheels adjusted front and back, what would happen is it would walk this way and it would walk that way. Fast or slow, it wouldn't matter until I lined them up like I just showed you. Kind of a fun project. It actually takes a little bit of thinking. And the next part is the river rubber. Not the river rubber. The reverse helix is going to be sitting right around this thing. And I'll get to that project here in a couple weeks. First I got, two switches to put on. And yeah, pretty much. The hopper, the spray bar. Anyway, the main part of it was these wheels are very important to line up. This and this, very important. Another piece is this. If this is cockeyed on the tube, it'll do this number and walk back and forth. You want to make sure that this goes straight so that it's an even run and not an up and down run like this. Same on both ends. Real important stuff. Thanks for watching.